Making thumbnail in Premiere Pro is pretty easy process. So as you can see, I added an image as my thumbnail background. Now I'm just adding my logo here, just like this. Double click on the logo and you can resize your logo. You can also reposition the logo just like this. Now it's time to add a thumbnail text here. So go to File, click on New, and hover over on New and just select Legacy Title. Okay, and here select the text tool and write here your text, and then select or highlight your text, and you can change your text color from here. I'm selecting this color, for example, and you can also change your text font family, font style. You can change your font size from here. So go ahead and customize or edit your thumbnail text from this legacy title window, then close it. Now just drag your text, and as you can see, the thumbnail. Now click on this capture icon and here rename your thumbnail and click on format, and you can change your format. I'm selecting PNG. Click on OK, and then go to your file explorer, go to documents, open Adobe folder, Adobe Premiere Pro folder, and in this folder here you will find your thumbnail. That's it.